Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is my way of cleaning the garbage disposal 2023 edition. I got this thing from Amazon. It comes with like a bunch of different attachments. It's probably like under 10 bucks. It comes with this attachment, which you need to get in the disposal all the way down in there, and then you need a drill. So I'll get this connected, and then I'll come back to you. Alright, now I got this thing mounted. All you do is put the extension, put the head on. Speed wise, it doesn't really matter. Just gonna scrub it all in there. But first thing you gotta do is take out this rubber thing. I like to clean it every 3 months or so. But yeah, you just scrub this, get this clean. Look at that, super dirty. Let's look inside. You can see all the stuff right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's been cleaned before, so slightly not as dirty, but it smells like crap. Alright, we get this mounted in here. Let me turn off my flashlight. We'll get this camera mounted so you guys can see. What I like to do is get this in here. I like to put some water in here just to get this thing wet, get this thing going. I also like to use any kind of dishwash, so just soap. So dab some here, all around this head thing. What you want to do is go in. I got on forward, so see how I'm just scrubbing my way down. So I'm slowly pushing it down. Once I'm down there, you can do any kind of speed you want. But I like to leave the water running, so it kind of pushes all the debris down there. And then I'll slowly back it out. See all the sides. The sides are clean. And then if you want, you can do it a couple times just to make sure. It's kind of loose, so then I like to kind of put some pressure on the edges. And that's it. You can do as much time as you want. Sometimes you can go reverse because you get some other spots you can't get to. And by going reverse, you'll hit the brushes and touch the other side of that wall from here. But yeah, I don't think I saw anybody use this method on YouTube. But I got a link on Amazon on the description, so you can take a look at it. Here's the thing. It's not too dirty, but if you never did this before and your disposal smells like crap, you got that smell coming out, I highly suggest you do it. See, the walls are pretty much kind of clean, and all you gotta do is run your disposal. Clean this thing. Yeah, if you want to clean that, you can use the brush too. You know, just kind of go at it, and they'll clean it. But I can't do it with two hands. One hand. So, yep. Hopefully this will help you out. Get that smelly smell out. If you click on the link below or in the description, I think it's the cheapest one. It's on the set, and you get this and some other stuff. You can also use it for your shower too. So you can use this whole setup for your shower. Kind of get the corners and scrub the corners and get all that stuff off. Yep. So click on the thumbs up or like. Thank you very much. Have a good day.